Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have a 2008 Toyota Corolla S model, four-door sedan, top trim level for the Corolla of this model year, and this was the final year of production for the Corolla. It had a good run of 2003 to 2008, so long 5-year stand of the same body style, but it was very reliable. It was great. Newer ones still just as good, and older ones still just as good. I mean, there's really no bad Corolla that you could ever buy. They're very consistent vehicles, they're very nice vehicles, and ultra reliable. So with this one being the S, it comes with the blacked out housing and the headlights. Also comes powered with the same 1.8 chain-driven 4-cylinder VVTI engine that the rest of them do come with. Now the difference is you get with the S models, you get the fog lights, you get the body kit package all the way around. So as you can see, that front chin spoiler there, and then you can see the side skirt extension. This one comes with alloy wheels and a sunroof. That is optional options for these cars. They can be optioned out with everything or nothing and still retain the badge. So as you can see, the rear lower chin spoiler there, and then the side extension for the skirt makes it the S package, so sport. And so for the interior, we have a super clean interior, smoke and pet free. We have factory floor mats, we have the original owner's manual, CD player, AM FM stereo, ice cold AC. One of the drawers is broken. That was a very common thing for these vehicles. Leather wrapped shift knob and steering wheel, and then a center console armrest storage there with dual cup holders. So nice clean headliner with dual vanity mirrors, and like I said, comes with the sunroof. So Sumic tires on the front and rear. Fronts are in really good condition, about 70% tread life left there. The rears come with the OEM floor mats as well too, and then dual cup holders for the center console. So power windows, locks, mirrors, sunroof throughout, body side moldings to protect against dings and dents. Spare tire, tools, jack, and then our split fold 60/40 rear seats. Pull on these and then that folds down. So then has the trunk mat, a little bit of light staining there. See the Corolla S designation and a nice black paint on the outside. Not too many Corollas you see this generation in black, but it does look great. So you got an automatic down window for the driver's side only, and then our power windows, locks, and mirror switch is located up here. Does come with keyless entry, another little storage compartment, cruise control. So it is a fully optioned out Corolla. And our keyless is there. Combination switches include headlights, fog lights, and interval wipers. And then for the dash, we have just a failed tire pressure sensor, no other warning lights on the dash. 89,000 original 3-owner miles. Very good miles for a Corolla. Usually people drive these quite extensively, but this one doesn't have that many miles on it, which is great. So these radios were always funny about their knobs. This one is just the same. So the stereo does work, but it takes a little playing with to get at least a good volume, and you just kind of leave it there. So that sounds good. And then it comes with the one vanity mirror over there, and then the one over here for the driver's side, and then our one map light, and we have our sunroof. So there you have it. All the windows, locks, mirrors, all working. All the functions are working. A beautiful 2008 Corolla S, nice low mileage vehicle, super reliable. You can find exclusively at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.